The sacred land of Tirth Raj Prayagraj is gearing up to host an extraordinary spectacle as it prepares for the renowned Mahakumbh Mela. This revered event, which already entails the intangible cultural heritage of humanity, is set to become even more remarkable with the ambitious goal of establishing 4 distinct world records, all coordinated under the visionary leadership of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The records that aim to be broken include the largest synchronized sweeping drive, the largest e-vehicle parade, the most handprint paintings created in 8 hours, and the largest river cleaning campaign. Each of these endeavors not only integrates the essence of Mahakumbh but also reflects a commitment to social responsibility and environmental conservation, anticipating rigorous adherence to the standards and guidelines set forth by the Guinness Book of World Records. To facilitate these high-profile record attempts, a specialized team is being formed in collaboration with the Yogi government and the Prayagraj Mela Authority. This dedicated unit will be charged with establishing communication with the representatives from the Guinness Book of World Records, ensuring that all procedures and standards necessary for verification are met meticulously. Their responsibilities will encompass all aspects of the endeavor, from coordinating logistical plans to providing meaningful training for participants. This concerted effort aims to imbue each record attempt with a sense of organization and clarity, underscoring the significance of maintaining both participation and compliance with Guinness World Records regulations. The first record, centered around the largest synchronized sweeping drive, is set to involve 15,000 participants working in unison. This sweeping initiative not only aims for a world record but also embodies the core values of cleanliness and environmental stewardship intrinsic to the spirit of the Mahakumbh Mela. Following this, the largest e-vehicle parade will see a dynamic initiative featuring 1,000 e-rickshaws and electric vehicles, showcasing a commitment to sustainable transport solutions and reducing carbon footprints. This alignment with eco-friendly practices will enhance the pilgrimage experience while promoting innovation in mobility solutions. Furthermore, the effort to create the largest collection of handprint paintings within an 8-hour window will invite 10,000 participants to leave their unique marks, symbolizing unity and diversity at the Mahakumbh. Each handprint will weave a collective narrative of communal spirit, epitomizing the essence of this holy congregation. Finally, the largest river cleaning campaign will rally 300 volunteers dedicated to preserving the sanctity of the holy rivers, spotlighting the importance of ecological conservation and nurturing the spiritual connection that the rivers hold for millions. In summary, this special team will play an integral role in meticulously orchestrating these ambitious undertakings, from engaging with Guinness World Records to executing training programs and verification processes. They will ensure that all record attempts not only achieve their goals but also resonate with the deeply rooted cultural, spiritual, and environmental messages of the Mahakumbh Mela. The world will soon witness not just records, but a celebration of humanity's collective commitment to conservation, innovation, and unity in diversity.